Welcome, welcome. Welcome to Rosie's Girls. This is behind the scenes in my wallet. In this video, we're going to be converting all the Helium IoTs in mobile for Solana so that we can go on eBay and spend the money on some things that I need to fix this electric scooter that I got. This new little project. But anyways, guys, so we got the mobile, and right now I'm trying to see what exchange I get a better swap rate. So I just exchanged it, the 9 heliums for IoTs. The process sometimes could be painstaking, but you gotta have patience sometimes when it comes to all this crypto and stuff and whatnot. But this is things that I do on a daily basis to exchange my cryptos if needed, to stack up, save, or to exchange for cash. Either way, the conversion could be in whatever position that you want to exchange it for. You can exchange the cryptos for Bitcoin, you can exchange it for Tether, you can exchange it for USDC, you could transfer the money to your bank account. All these kind of things is what Rosie Grows is doing. So the exchange I'm using is already built into the wallet. It's called Juke.au, Jupiter, Juke.ag, my bad. So right now I'm trying to find a good rate to exchange the mobile, but it's high percentage. So I'm just fishing around to see what my choice should be, but I'm still hesitant on what to do. $13% for USDC. I was trying to see if I can exchange it for a different coin that'll be cheaper. But they all got high percentage right now for the exchange rates. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes you got extra if you exchange it at the right time. So it's like almost like day trading your own coins that you have mined. Once you learn the process of mining, you will think of how you work for money completely different, and you'll do different things, and but not everybody understands it. So it takes a while to build up your skills as far as doing technical swings like this, but it could be learned. That's why there's YouTube. You could research and look up anything on YouTube and just about learn it. So IoT's up 14%. Not bad. It wouldn't be a bad exchange rate. So I keep going, I keep going. But initially, the coin that I'm gonna transfer is gonna be Solana. So it's all some way, somehow, is gonna end up turning into Solana. Because that's the token that I'm gonna send to the crypto.com. So I got $22 in mobile. If I convert it for Solana, they'll give me 1.2 Solana, which will be 21.96. patience, 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 patience. You gotta have a lot of patience for this crypto sometimes. You gotta have the patience for it to appreciate. You gotta have the patience to convert it. But times like this is crucial to learn a new skill, especially if you got time on your hands. It's always good to take on new activities and learn something. Learn something. The mind is one of the most powerful things we have, and we gotta harness the power of using every little aspect of it. So therefore, we gotta learn skills like this because you never know what the future arises. And nowadays, with all these banks closing, there's gonna be digital banks, crypto banks, crypto taxes, crypto accessories. There's gonna be businesses. There is going to be accepting crypto and that nature and so forth. So if you got your bags built up in crypto and you could just scan a barcode and pay and get your McDonald's, wouldn't you think that'd be easier than actually having to go out there and work for your dollars to spend on food and meals with the price of inflation and everything else is going on? The cost of living is getting high, everything. So why not put these machines to make you passive income so it could help out on certain things until that payroll kick in or until the checks come in, or this is something that you don't need to touch. You could just build it and build it and build it until the value of the coins appreciate until they're all worth millions, and then you just cash out big bags. People, everybody's strategy in this crypto market is different. You know, look at this shenanigans. We're almost there. So converted the mobiles to IoTs. Then I gotta solve everything else for Solana. HNT for Sol. We're gonna do the swap. We're not losing too much money on fees. Boom. Exchanged. Now we exit out. And then we proceed on to the next step, which is to send the Sol to the crypto.com exchange. So stay tuned, guys. Follow my next video. Subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to learn more things like this, stay tuned. Drop your comments below and let me know where I can help. Razi grows.